actually don't know what's going on with the cheeks. Well, I do, actually. I was putting Tommy to bed, right? And obviously I've got a bit too cosy in there. Anyway, Ellie was like, I'm going to go down and make a pasta dish. So she went down and made a pasta dish. And this is it. Obviously, she's left the cheese out for me. I didn't get down in time, so she ate hers and then she left mine. So this is what it is. Just put some spices in there. She's put like a tomato in there because there's no sauce out. And then she put some cream in there, I think. And it was really nice. And then she done the cheese for me. How sweet is that? You see it? Is that ham? I don't know. I'll have to ask her in a minute. She's having a shower. How nice is that? I could actually get used to that. Obviously I'm going to put a bit of mayo on. Just to, God, it's sucky. Anyway, how are you guys? Oh, I'll do that in a minute because it's just going to be a fight. How are you guys? Have you had a good day? '26 now, can you believe this? What is with this camera? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally just lost. I feel like it's like clearer. I don't know. Anyway, have you eaten today? If you have, what have you had? And if you haven't, have something. Something's better than nothing. I love pasta. I can literally eat pasta all the time. I don't know why I take big mouthfuls, if I'm honest. Look at that. Cut cucumber with the knives that my mum got me. Didn't move my hand, but honestly, they are so fucking sharp. It just like I barely touched my hand and it fucking sliced. Obviously, I've asked my mum to get me sharp knives for Christmas, but these are another level. They were nearly 100 quid for 4 knives. 5 knives, sorry. Like, do you know who I am? And you're literally giving me the sharpest knives in the world. I've already nearly sliced my finger off several times. Like, I know I wanted sharp, but like, I didn't want ones from an actual chef's kitchen. Love her so much, but still. Anyway, I really need to be careful with them. That is tomato. I can't see a jar though. Surprise, isn't it? Right, anyway, whatever you're doing today, or whatever you've done today, I hope you've had a good day. I'm going to go and finish this and watch Emmerdale. And after Ellie what she used because it's good. Anyway, have a good evening.